Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Catherine. It is Saturday, which means open house day. I'll be in the Longview community today from 11 to 1 p.m. I'll be at 3337 Teton. It's a great property. It backs to the park at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's on the market. We just listed it for $149,000. Great price in there for this model. Just so you know, these are not mobile homes. These are manufactured modular homes in the Longview community. It is a lot lease location. The monthly lot lease is $961 a month. But this is on the market for $149,000. There is affordable living in northern Colorado, and this happens to be one of the best locations, in my opinion, for affordable living. These go pretty fast, so if you'd like to stop by and see what Longview has to offer, stop by and see me this morning around 11, and I'll be there till 1 p.m. You can also go to my website. I'll put my link in the description below, but it is catherinewood.com, and you click on that and click on my listings, and you'll be able to see all the photographs and view the information about this property that's entered in the MLS system. So I hope to see you out there. Hope to help you get into the community. It's a wonderful community. Call me for all your real estate needs. And I've got to run because I got to get going for my open house to help my sellers out. And we'll see you later. Oh, today is our first snowy day of the season. It's a beautiful Colorado sunny day. Snowy day, not sunny. It's cloudy, but that's okay. We've had a beautiful fall. Like I'm hearing everybody throughout the states have had beautiful falls this year. It's great. Isn't God awesome? He has a beautiful, beautiful world for us to live in. All right, you guys have a good Saturday. Thanks for listening and my ramblings. We'll see you later.